Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium question that I solved over half a year ago. So looks like first on August of last year, then I tried it a month ago and couldn't do it, but let's try it again. So this one is called binary subarrays with sum. Basically you're given a binary integer nums, either ones or zeros, and you want to return how many subarrays have a sum of goal. So goal is 2, sum is 2, sum is 2, sum is 3, sum is 2, 2, and that's it. So 4 in total. So find all the subarrays with the sum of goal. And okay, the easiest way to do this is just to do an n squared and get every subarray and get every sum, but that will probably time out, as we'll see. Let's call this, well, subarray sum plus equals to nums of j. If it's 0, then it just won't increase the subarray sum at all. But if the subarray sum is equal to goal, then we can increment result by 1, right? Because that's a new subarray that we found that has a sum of goal, and then we return result at the end. This is going to time out, although it technically works. This is a good start. And let's see. Okay, so time limit exceeded. Looks like this one's only, well, no, I thought it was only zeros, but it's not. So if you've solved subarray sum equals to k, we can probably use the similar hash map approach here. So let's create a dictionary. Let's do -1 for the first, or let's do 1, because subarray sum equals to k works like this, where up to index 0 has a sum of 1, and then the current subarray sum is supposed to be at the next position over, and so we'll keep track of that. We'll add nums of I, and if we want to find subarray sums of goal here, you can think of that way. If subarray sum minus goal is in our dictionary, then we can add d subarray sum minus goal, and then always we have to say this is a subarray sum, how many of that subarray sum have we seen in total, and then return result at the end. So that should, let's make this a default dict of integer. And there we go, passes all test cases. So very cool, I was able to solve this on my own with the same technique of subarray sum equals to k. So pretty happy about that, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.